world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Okay, pardon the dogs and Adidas fighting. Hopefully they will resolve that quite quickly. Anyway, my Rough Rider collection has grown threefold. Okay, I have 3 Rough Riders at this stage. And I am willing to buy more because I find them quite awesome. Okay, this one. I still love this thing so much. Okay, it's a big trapper. It's got all kinds of intricate spidery things on it. It's got the slanted R bolsters, a beautiful clip point blade, and a beautiful spey blade. On the spey blade, it says Black Widow. Okay, so this thing, nice, big, how can I show you? It's like a big hand-filling thing. It's a wonderful knife. Okay, I really love this one. Then, this one. Beautiful, beautiful smooth bone. Beautiful unspoiled, what do you call these things? Nickel, silver, nickel, brass. Bolsters. No billboarding, lanyard hull, and then beautiful brass pins with a huge, I'm saying huge. How big is this thing? 8 centimeter. Cutting edge 7 centimeter. So it is 3 and a bit for overall, and cutting edge 2 3/4. Okay, well, remember that's now with the curve in it. Anyway, so I love the hawk bull. Let's put them down like that so you can actually look at the awesomeness while they are lying here. Okay, and on none of these I have a problem whatsoever. I got them great. They were great from the beginning. I still love them. This little one, oh, shame. The poor thing was definitely the runt of the litter. Okay. This is the one with the most extreme gapping, which is pretty much nothing, especially considering the price. It feels wonderful. It's got beautiful dyed bone, blue bone. It's got little ictus fish over there. Beautiful clean bolsters. This thing looks fantastic. The little blade, the main blade, it's almost like a little toothpick. Beautiful, beautiful stamped Rough Rider. Wonderful. But now the problems. It's touching. So it started touching the main blade. Okay, can you see the scratches over there? Please do not steal my fingerprints and then do something with my fingerprints, plant them at crime scenes. I've been watching a lot of CSI lately. Anyway, so it's been scratching. And then if you... Okay, now without looking at me, can you see in the blade, there's like a dip. Okay, let's see over there. Can you see there's a bald spot at the bottom of the blade? Okay, so as this thing is closing, it hits here against, not specifically the pin. Let me show you. Okay, if you can see inside there, it's as if it's got a little raised hump. Okay, and the pin goes through that. Now it hits inside there against that little raised hump. So the poor thing, flack, okay, exactly over there. And I've sharpened it, and it keeps happening. So it's not the end of the world. But still, shame. Such a poor little guy. Why? Why would this need to happen to it? Okay. Anyway, I'm still a super Rough Rider fan. I still love this little knife. Actually, it's because it's so small and so petite, you don't always want to do all the horrible things with it, because you don't want to hurt it. But now that the blade is already fighting that bald spot over there, and that it's already scratching, now I scratch paint from walls. I don't know, but you get what I'm saying. Now I use this for everything because now the new is off. Okay. I still love this thing. This is like my favorite little 5th pocket knife. It can fit into any 5th pocket. You just drop the thing and it's there. I'm really liking the hawk bull, so maybe I'll get into hawk bulls a bit more. Okay, that's me and my Rough Riders for today. If you have not subscribed yet, please do. Do that thing. And please look after yourselves. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.